Nikon optical technologies enable accuracy and high-speed dimension measurements. For decades, the Nexiv series of CNC video measuring systems has been meeting needs for stringent quality control and efficiency in a wide range of industries around the world. And the next step in its evolution is the VMZ-S series, which offers faster measuring speeds than ever before. This series contributes to shorter tack time through continuous measurement of semiconductors, electronics, and other microscopic components that require short-distance stage movements. The high-speed TTL laser supports accurate height detection and shape evaluation. The premium quality images that Nikon, an optical manufacturer, can provide form the basis of high-precision measurement. This system provides highly reliable measurements even when the measuring point is not near the center of the field of view. We can offer solutions for the right optical heads to meet your measurement targets. With movable illumination rings and an 8-segment LED, high-speed, high-accuracy edge detection is possible, even for workpieces with hard-to-detect boundaries and chambers. Our lineup of software makes dimension measurements simple and efficient. AutoMeasure, the basic software, provides both ease of use and a wealth of features. And it has been enhanced with functions that automate various settings for creating measurement programs. The Nexiv Note Operation Guide supports efficient operation of the system. And try the newly designed joystick to experience its improved ease of use.